Mansory knows how to make a statement and ensure that their creations stand out from the crowd. One such example is the remarkable P9LM EVO 900, a Porsche 911 Turbo S that unmistakably carries the Mansory signature. Now let's dive into the fascinating details. Let's begin with the engine modifications. In order to match the extravagant exterior, Mansory enhances the already powerful twin-turbo 3.8-liter flat-six engine by incorporating larger turbochargers. Additionally, a new intercooler, 98mm downpipes, a complete exhaust system upgrade, and an optimized tune are installed to seamlessly synchronize all the components. The result? The P9LM EVO now boasts a mind-boggling 900 horsepower and an impressive 744 pound-feet of torque. With such immense power, it's not surprising to imagine that maintaining traction could be a challenge despite the presence of an all-wheel drive system. Acceleration from 0 to 62 miles per hour is achieved in a mere 2.5 seconds, a mere tenth of a second quicker than the stock 911 Turbo S. However, the P9LM EVO's top speed climbs to an astonishing 211 miles per hour. Moving on to the striking body kit, we discover a front fascia entirely crafted from lightweight carbon fiber, complete with enlarged intakes for superior cooling. This modification necessitates the inclusion of new LED running lights, and at the corners, side flaps are added to enhance downforce on the front wheels. The carbon fiber treatment continues, extending to the frunk, mirror caps, and side sills, and culminating in massive side intakes located just ahead of the rear fenders. Moreover, an audacious biplane spoiler dominates the rear, while the redesigned rear fascia incorporates an equally impressive diffuser. As for ensuring the engine receives optimal airflow, a scoop is thoughtfully positioned on the rear window. Although we can't confirm its effectiveness in this particular location, the distinctive design element undeniably catches the eye. Mansory proudly declares that both the exterior and interior color schemes are customizable, providing buyers with the opportunity to select their preferred finishes. In the showcased model, a captivating black and teal combination is employed, resulting in a visually arresting appearance that extends seamlessly into the interior. The cockpit exudes luxury with custom stitching, lavish leather, and abundant carbon fiber elements. The addition of white accents further brightens the cabin, creating a truly captivating ambiance. Notably, the presence of Mansory branding intricately woven into the materials ensures that passengers are constantly reminded of the exceptional vehicle they are privileged to experience. It is safe to say that being aware of their extraordinary surroundings will not be an issue for the occupants. It is worth mentioning that a mere 10 examples of the P9LM EVO 900 will be produced, allowing prospective buyers to choose between a coupe or a convertible variant. Naturally, the rear engine scoop is excluded in the drop-top model, and for those who prefer a more subdued aesthetic, the winglets at the front and rear wheels can be optionally removed. While specific pricing details are not disclosed due to the highly customizable nature of Mansory builds, it is noteworthy that a new Porsche 911 Turbo S has a starting price of $232,050. From there, the sky's the limit when it comes to personalizing your dream vehicle. Mansory's ability to continually push boundaries in terms of style and performance truly sets them apart, and the P9LM EVO 900 stands as a testament to their unwavering commitment to automotive excellence.